Okay, I figured I'd get on here. Everybody knows what that is. That's your typical. Well, it's upside down. Can you read upside down? Well, if you can't, we'll flip her for you there. There, master call. Okay, there it is. There's here. Part number. Okay, everybody got that now? Yeah, website. Okay. So, nice set. Great for working under a car. It's all portable and stuff, which is nice. Makes some flares, metric, regular, SAE. Makes transmission, for your General Motors. Makes some clips for your brakes. Not brakes, but fuel lines and stuff. Oh, I suppose I could go get a connector and show it to you. Well, hell, I'll just walk over here and we'll do that. We'll walk right over here and we'll find one. Anyways, let's see here. Here's a kit. Okay. There's a kit right here. There. There. Come on, open up. Yeah, see these right here? All these little deals like this. It makes those. That'll snap on there. It'll flare it so you can snap those on. So pretty handy kit. Highly recommend them. Very good. Now, if you want production, speed, got stuff out of cars, right here. This baby is nice. This is a good one here. I already got it set up. Hey, and I even remember to put the little whatever fitting on. Now, if somebody tells you they've never forgot to do that, I'd say they're not telling you the truth. So, anyways, it's pretty simple. You got a dial here, and this is a metric. So, we'll just do the number one. See, it's broke down to one operation, two operation, so you can flare it, make a double flare. But we're just going to make the bubble. See, it's real simple. See how that goes in there, and then you just give her a little push. There. I know. We'll just shake the hell out of it. So, anyways, then we'll undo her, and we'll see what it looks like. I know. My camera skills suck. You can write me and tell me, but I already know. Anyways, look, right here. You got one for making a bubble and one for making a flare. Just got to use the right end. So anyhow, fits on there pretty nice. There you go. There, let me get up here, see? Ta-da! Bubble flare for a metric piece of crap. But hey, I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. So, you want to make time? Buy the Eastwood. Let's see here. This is what it is right here. There you go. And that is the part number. But yeah, it's it's a nice kit. So you folks have a good one. I'm gonna get back to work here so I can just have more fun than I have a right to. And we'll see what else we can break. Y'all have a good one.